If you've ever wanted to use crypto in your everyday life, or you're a business owner looking to tap into Bybit's 70 million plus users, then Bybit already has a product built for you. It's called Bybit Pay. In this video, I'll break down what Bybit Pay is, how you can use it in your daily life, and how businesses can accept crypto payments easily. Because this honestly changes how crypto is used in the real world. What is Bybit Pay? Bybit Pay is a crypto payment feature that lets you send, receive, and pay with crypto instantly, all from inside the Bybit app. No extra wallets, no complicated setup, just simple, fast crypto payments. And let's be realistic, crypto is amazing for trading, investing, and saving. But when it comes to actually spending it, that's where things get complicated. That's the problem Bybit Pay solves. So how do individuals use Bybit Pay? As an individual, Bybit Pay lets you instantly convert your crypto into your local currency and receive it directly in your bank account. Send and receive crypto to other Bybit users for free. Buy and sell gift cards directly inside the Bybit app. Pay for goods and services anywhere in the world. It feels less like crypto and more like using a regular payment app just powered by blockchain. For businesses, it's even simpler. With Bybit Pay, you can generate a QR code, share it with customers, and receive payments from anywhere in the world with crypto. No chargeback stress, no border issues, just fast global payments. Why use Bybit Pay? First, it's built and managed by Bybit, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, meaning strong security, reliability, and a big reputation to protect. No complicated wallet setup or technical knowledge required. And the best part, Bybit Pay can be integrated with Web3 wallets, so you can spend crypto in your daily life while still staying in control of your assets. Bybit Pay isn't about trading, it's about using crypto in real life, simply, securely, and globally. If crypto is going to be mainstream, this is exactly what it needs. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you actually use crypto for everyday payments? Bye.